At first glance, the Gearframe analytical computer appears as an indulgent ornament of Victorian engineering, a hulking monolith of polished brass, riveted iron plates, and a spinal column of exposed gear trains. Its form is deliberately theatrical, a 3-meter-high chassis topped with a glass dome that houses a rotating ensemble of brass cogs, each tooth meticulously machined to a 0.5 mm tolerance. The device is anchored on a cast-iron base etched with ornamental filigree, echoing the aesthetics of late 19th century locomotives and marine pistons. Every surface is finished in a warm patina, allowing the play of light across its surfaces to suggest both antiquity and kinetic energy. Functionally, the Gearframe transcends its historical predecessor, Charles Babbage's analytical engine, by marrying mechanical computation with modern digital logic. Its core consists of a dual-loop gearbox that translates steam-driven torque into binary pulses. A series of adjustable cams convert these pulses into electrical impulses distributed across copper-clad printed circuits hidden behind ornamental brass panels. The gear ratios are programmed via interchangeable perforated metal cards, an overt nod to Babbage's punch cards, while a series of steam-powered relays provide a 1 kHz clock signal, enabling real-time calculation of algebraic operations, data sorting, and even primitive graphical output on an integrated steam ink printer. In essence, the machine is a fully operational Turing-complete computer wrapped in an aesthetic language of steam and gear. Aesthetically, the Gearframe is a manifesto of the steampunk ethos. Technology is celebrated as art, and the brutal romance of industry is amplified through decorative excess. Its visual language borrows from Victorian mechanical illustration, cross-hatched shading, exploded view diagrams, and elaborate marginalia. The glowing amber of oil lamps that power its internal peltier coolers adds a theatrical glow, while the soft hiss of steam pumps provides an audible underscore to its operation. This blend of function and spectacle transforms the Gearframe from a mere curiosum into a cultural artifact, a tangible embodiment of a world where gears could render polyphonic music, simulate weather patterns, and connect an empire-wide telegraph network without ever abandoning the tactile romance of brass and steam.